Hello, my name is John Walsh. I'm a retired Navy captain. I served for 31 years in a very unique community in the Navy called the Navy Special Operations Community. I just want to tell you the reason for why I picked ES Solar. After doing all the research, not only me, but a great neighbor, ES Solar's business model is unique amongst all the others here in Utah. ES Solar installs, they also monitor, and they also integrated my entire system into the Rocky Mountain Smart Watts program. My system doesn't require any fossil fuel. My goal is to have ES Solar put in some additional solar panels, and as I do that, I'm eventually going to achieve net zero, where I'm not taking anything from the environment, I'm contributing to the environmental side of the house. And in here in Utah, our biggest challenge is clean air. And I'm really proud that I'm doing my part with this system that I decided to put in. And it was for that reason that I wanted to put this system in. Contribution, service, giving is better than taking. And I feel like, in a way, I'm still serving our country, the state, this county. And what we just said is from the heart. This powers not only my home when I lose power, but every day. My bill on the average electrical bill is about $12. Okay? California, my electrical bill when we lived there was $500-600. But because of this battery, $12. Like, please, that's pretty good.